Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make Ankara neck piece, and these are the materials we'll be using: glue gun, scissors, spear bead, needle and thread, Ankara fabric, and tape rule. If you are just joining us, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. Let's jump straight into the video. So guys, you have to get a round object like this. This is 4 inches. We are going to use this to make a circle. This is the right side of this Ankara fabric. This is the wrong side. On the wrong side, you place your round object this way and you trace it out by drawing a circle. So when that is done, I'm going to cut this circle out. When that is done, we are going to cut out as many circles as possible. So after that, you want to pick your needle and thread. You pick a circle. This is the right side, this is the wrong side. From the wrong side, you start making running stitch. Make sure your thread is thick enough, it won't cut, and you don't have to retread your needle while doing this. The thread should be enough for you to make that running stitch from the beginning to the end. When you get to this end, you draw this other thread and this thread together, so we form a yo-yo. When that is done, tie your thread. After tying the thread, cut it out. So I'm going to be doing this same process to the other circles that I have left. So when you are done making your yo-yo flowers, this is what to look like. I'm going to keep this aside. Now we are going to make another sunflower. This is the inside of this Ankara fabric, and this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Fold to the wrong side. This is the inside. Fold this way and fold again. So you start running your stitch from this part that is open. You make a running stitch. Relieve excess thread and continue your stitch. When that is done, I'll take the next one and continue with my stitch. Always start from this part that is open. So I'll be doing the same to the rest of the circles. So guys, when you are done running your stitch, I have 6 of this, so you will drag together with this thread to make a sunflower. Before you tie your thread, you use your hand to arrange your fabric. And when that is done, you tie your thread. Cut your thread off. So now this is a sunflower and this is a yo-yo flower. So I'll set this aside. So the next thing you want to do is to cut another Ankara fabric. This is 8 inches by 1.5, and I have 2 of these. So what you want to do is to fold to the wrong side, go to your sewing machine, run a straight stitch from this end to this end. We are going to do the same for this other one. When you are done stitching, you will turn it inside out. Turn this one inside out and you go to your iron and give it a good press. So guys, I ironed the part that I stitched to the middle. So you want to make something like a V shape, something like this. After you want to put your fabric. So with the help of your hot glue, you're going to join them together. The part that I stitch is facing me, so this back is neat. Then when that is done, you want to start joining your yo-yo flower at this point. So you just apply your hot glue and you place it. when that is done, you also want to join your sunflower to your neck piece. So we are going to glue this way. So when that is done, you want to start covering this yo-yo flower. This is where we'll be needing our pear beads. So we're going to be using this to cover this our stitch. So guys, when you are done using your pear bead to cover your stitch, you are still going to cover this particular part. There's hole inside here as well, so you are still going to use this pear bead to cover it. Just apply your hot glue. What I'm doing is to use this pear to cover up that stitch and any rough work we have around that flower. So you use any embellishment of your choice. So when that is done, I'll wait for it a bit to dry. So guys, when this is done, you want to use another piece of fabric to cover this hole that is behind here. So you just cut a bit of Ankara fabric and use it to cover it. You can see how neat the back looks like. And that's that. Then the next thing we want to do is to fix handle that we can use to tie this Ankara neck piece to our neck. So you'll be making use of your bias tape. This is the bias tape that I'll be using. Let's measure it. So this is 7 inches. You just be applying your glue and be gluing it like so. As simple as that. So this is it, guys. You're just going to use this to tie it to your neck. So guys, we are basically done with this tutorial. Please like this video, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.